Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today I have prepared for you a little video and a sizing comparison on the Foam Runner MX Granite. So without further ado, you know the box. This is a size 12. That is my current size. And if you are watching my videos, I told you that one of my friends recently commented by saying they look nice, although the design is a bit wacky, and that's completely okay. But what intrigued me, she said, I believe they are too big for you. To put this in concept, so I am wearing YEEZY 350 size 11.5 UK, which is US 12, 46 2/3 European. And that's my size, as I mentioned in some of my previous videos. When I get a fresh pair, I usually take the insole out. And after a month of wear, I would put the insole back in because they would stretch a little bit. In the beginning, I once experimented and I went even up a size to a size US 13. And those ones, even with the insole in from new, were quite roomy. So not my size for sure. Now, back to the foam runners. Since the MX Granite and the recent Foam Runner releases are sitting, once I have received my size 12 a couple of days ago, which you can see in the box here, I decided to order also a size 11 and to do a comparison on size. So, as I said, YEEZY 350, my size is for sure 11.5 UK. I wear them snug, so really true to size. That said, in foam runners, I opted for a 12 because there's no in-between size, and I didn't go for 11. And I did a review on the Onyx, and I have the size 12. So, today the other pair has arrived, a size 11. Which is down here. Okay, let me pick it up. You can see this one is a size 11. So let's unbox first my pair here, the size 12. Wow, the color is beautiful. I like this color scheme. The little white speckles in the front make this shoe more interesting. Okay, somebody would say, okay, it looks like a gray shoe with some paint on the front. The reality is, yeah, it looks kind of that, but I like the look. And every shoe is a bit different. As you see, this one has a different toe box than this one. So this is my right shoe in the size 12, and this is the left shoe in the size 12. As you can see, they are different. Yeah. They are the same size as the Onyx pair. I'm pretty sure of that. Now, to the overall comparison and size. So, I have put on a size 11 that came today, and I can put them on, that's for sure, but they are quite snug. In these ones, when I put them on, I have a little bit of wiggle room in the toe box. And they do stay a bit open here on the top, meaning that when my feet are inside here, they are not grabbing me here. While the size 11 is more tight and snug here, and there is almost no room in the toe box. So this is the difference. Now, my general thought is this. I probably rather stay with the size 12. And somebody say, yeah, but this might stretch in the back. Okay, sure, but this part here is narrow enough that it doesn't really gonna make you lose this shoe off your foot, okay? I do have a little bit of purchase here in the back, not obviously as much as on the size 11. Let me pull out the size 11 here so we can do a real comparison on the sizing on the camera. So, bear with me, guys. Okay, so here's the box open, and voila, here's the size 11. So size 11, I have the right shoe. Let me grab the right shoe of this one. Okay, so 2 right shoes. So size 11 on the left side, size 12 on the other side. There is not really that much of a difference. I think that is quite visible. Yes, this is a bit slimmer profile altogether, because yeah, it is a size down. But as I said, if you look from them now, there isn't really a big difference or almost any difference on the camera from where I sit. So as I said, with this one, the size 11, here I have much more purchase than I would have on the size 12. Actually, let's do this for the sake of live videos, guys. Let me put my foot in the size 12. So this is size 12 now on. And yes, I have Nike socks on. Okay, size 12 again. Let me take it off. And let me put on a size 11. There, this is size 11. As I said, it grabs the foot a little bit more than the size 12 in the back, as you can see, but there is a bit less room in the toe box. I still believe it could be worn, but here is my thought. I would be concerned with the size 11 if, for example, when it's gonna be hotter, the foot will swell up a little bit, at least my foot does that. And then I will lose the minimal extra space I have now in the size 11. So I would be worried then that they might be too tight. Yes, sure, they might give out a little bit, but nevertheless. Since the size difference is not that big, I'm by any means not swimming in the size 12. So I believe I will stay with the size 12 and return the size 11 just to be on the safe side. Again, guys, this is not a performance shoe, so I will not be running in this shoe, so it's not, if there is a little bit more room, I don't believe that's a deal breaker. I rather stay on the comfy size with this than go down to a size 11, although aesthetically, as they are smaller, they would look aesthetically a little bit more pleasing, to be honest with you. But nevertheless, I'm keeping the size 12, which is here. Let's check again, yeah, size 12, 47. So I will be keeping this one, and I will be returning size 11, 46. So, any questions on these shoes, guys, let me know. I'm here. Also, before I close, my foot is medium width. It's not super wide, and it's also not a narrow one. Another thing to notice is I do feel that my shoes, all of them, are a bit easier to wear recently, but another fact behind this is I have lost in the last half a year 50 kilos. So I went down from 129 kilos to 79, 78. So keep that also in mind. And obviously, when you lose so much weight, this shows up everywhere, okay? And I can see that. One of the things, just to say where I seen it, is if I give you an example, this cuff bracelet from Pandora, I was not able to put, I could put it on, but it was holding me too tight when I was 129 kilos, and now I have enough of wiggle room to wear it very, very comfortable. Okay, we are close to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna close now. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question on the foam runner MX Granite, do let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.